Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign into your Canva account. So I'm currently looking at the assignment, Design and Image Software, and this is point 3. Click the Canva link to sign up for your free account. So the Canva link you'll find it down here amongst all of the different resources, and it's the one that's got www.canva.com. So that's just the link to the website. So if you click on that, it will take you to the Canva website. Now, the first time you ever come here, you might want to click the sign up, or you can go straight to the login. It doesn't actually make any difference. We're going to be using your Google account to sign in. That makes it a lot easier for us to be able to correct anything if we have any errors later on. But to do that, you just simply click on Education, and it'll ask you if you want to sign up with your Google account or with an email. But as we're already signed into Google, because you've been to the classroom already, just click sign up with Google. It will recognize you and you just select your name, your BDC account. Mine's got two because it's got my personal one there as well, but anyway, I'm going to use the BDC one. Click that and then it will sign you straight into your Canva account where you can then work directly.